Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to remove a Linux distribution from Windows Subsystem for Linux, also known as WSL, in a clear and step-by-step way. This process will completely uninstall a Linux distribution from your system, including all files, settings, and installed packages. So make sure you do not have any important data inside that distribution before proceeding. Now let's begin. First, open Command Prompt on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the Start button, typing CMD, and then clicking on Command Prompt. Once Command Prompt is open, we need to check which Linux distributions are currently installed on your system. To do this, type the following command: WSL list verbose. Then press Enter. This command will display a list of all installed Linux distributions along with their status and version. Now carefully look at the name of the distribution you want to remove. For example, you might see names like Ubuntu, Debian, or Kali Linux. Once you have identified the distribution, the next step is to unregister it. To remove it, type the following command: WSL unregister Ubuntu. Make sure to replace Ubuntu with the exact name of your distribution as shown in the list. Then press Enter. Windows will now begin the removal process. Within a few seconds, the Linux distribution will be completely deleted from your system. This means all associated files, user data, and installed applications inside that distribution will be permanently removed. There is no recycle bin for this action, so the data cannot be recovered after deletion. If you want to confirm that the distribution has been removed, you can run the same command again. If the distribution no longer appears in the list, it has been successfully removed. And that's how you uninstall a Linux distribution from WSL quickly and safely. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to Full Course Online for more practical and professional computer tutorials.